Hello everyone, you all are welcome to my channel. Today, the topic that we are going to discuss here is means of transport. We go from one place to another to meet our relatives, friends, and for doing our work. Early humans used to walk on foot only. Later on, they used animals to carry them and their goods. The floating logs of wood helped early men to develop boats. This is wooden boat. The invention revolutionized the system of transport. After early men built carts fitted with wheels, animals like bulls or horses were used to pull them. This continued for thousands of years. Carts pulled by animals are still in use in many countries of the world. Roads or cars tracks were built with stones and mud, but the road travel was slow. You know, there are four main types of transport in the world: roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. Here we will discuss all one by one. Let us discuss first of all roadways. Romans were the first to build roads, which were rough and narrow. The development of automobiles led the construction of Pakka metal road. Today, Pakka roads connect big cities, industrial town, trading centers, seaport, etc. Many countries have developed network of highways which are also called freeways or expressways. The vehicle run at high speed on such roads. India has a good network of highways called the national highways. Dear all, road transport has advantages and disadvantages also. The first advantages is it is door to door service. It is economical over short distance. It is flexible, and disadvantages are it is irregular and unreliable. It is not suitable for long distance. It has no uniformity in rates and its speed is limited. Let us discuss railways. Railway an important means of land transport. It is useful for carrying heavy and bulky goods to long distance. The actual development of railway in the world began with the invention of steam engine and the spread of industries. In India, the British introduced the railways in 1853. The first railway ran between Mumbai and Thane for a distance of about 30 kilometers. Some countries such as Japan, France, Germany, China, they have developed trains running at speed of about 400 km per hour. These are called bullet trains. The underground railway system in some big cities is called metro railway system. Today, traveling by air is the fastest and most expensive means of transport in the world. The human being have always been interested in flying in the air like bird. The first attempt to develop an aeroplane was made by Wright brothers of America. In 1903, they made a successful attempt to fly in the air. They developed a flying machine called the Flyer, which flew a distance of about 230 meters in about 12 seconds. We have advantages and disadvantages of air transport also. Air transport dis- Air transport advantages are it is flexible, it is quick service, it has high speed. And disadvantages of air transport are we all know it is very costly. because it has a high cost of construction and maintenance. It has limited carrying capacity. It is unsuitable for bulky goods. Waterways. The water transport is the cheapest means of transport for heavy goods over long distance. Early humans used raft and boat for thousands of years. Later on, steam engine helped in the making of large-sized boat, now called ships. The ships can carry a large number of people and heavy cargo. Nowadays, the ships are run by steam or diesel engines. The big steamers are used to carry people and goods in rivers and lakes. Low cost of water transport help in the transportation of food grains from one continent to another. It also helped in the development of trade in the agriculture, raw material and minerals and fuel resources. Waterways are cheaper as they require no road or railways, only port is needed. Special types of ships are developed to carry dairy products, vegetables, fruit, mineral oil, etc. The refrigerated ships were developed for transporting perishable goods over long distance. Panama Canal opened in 1914. It joins the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. This canal is about 80 kilometers long and can be crossed in about 8 hours. It has special type of locks for transporting ships. It has reduced the travel time between the east and west coast of USA by many weeks. Let us discuss about the Suez Canal. The construction of the Suez Canal has reduced the sea route. Suez Canal opened in 1869. It joins Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. The canal is about 16 kilometers long and can be crossed in about 6 hours. It has reduced the travel time between India and UK by about 15 days. So dear all, whatever we have discussed in the class may be clear to all of you. If you have any query, please feel free to write in the chat box. Thank you for watching the video.